Hello guys. Hey, today we can talk about squat or squatting. Squat exercises are great for a total lower body workout. They effectively work most of the major muscle groups of the butt, hips and thighs, and of course, legs and abdomen. Squats are a versatile exercise. We can do the squats almost anywhere. You can use weight, you can use machine, but you don't need it. You can do it in a hotel room, on a road, in a park, wherever you want. They are perfect for toning the legs. Squat exercises thoroughly engage the quadriceps, hamstrings and calf muscles, which helps to tone and strengthen the legs. Slowing the motion down makes the workout that much more intense. And it tones our little bottom. Doing squats gives the glutes a powerful workout, helping to tighten and lift the butt. To increase this effect, give your glutes an extra squeeze when returning to standing position. It strengthens the abdomen muscles. Squats engage the core muscles of the body. The abdomen and the back muscles are needed to keep balance during the movement as you go up and down. The result is tighter, flatter abdomen and a stronger lower back. Make a conscious effort to hold in your abdominal muscle while squatting down to increase this effect. Your body becomes flexible. You might be 75-year-old like I am, but as you start doing squatting daily, you will feel your body is becoming more flexible. Doing squats increases the joint flexibility, the ankle, the knees, the hips, the lower backs. They're all utilized in squatting motion. Be sure to maintain proper form to avoid injury. If you feel any pain in these areas, stop doing exercises immediately until the pain is gone. How about, do you want upper body muscles toning? If you do that, you have to add some weights then. Pick up a 5 pound, 2 pound, 10 pound weight and start doing squatting using the weights in your hand. So adding weight to your squat routine engages a muscle of the upper body, essentially giving you a full body workout in one exercise. You can accomplish this with the use of a barbell or dumbbell like we're going to do today and we'll show you. So that becomes your routine. So let's talk about how we do the squat. Here we are. Let's see. You stand with your feet hip width apart. Tighten and pull in your abdominal muscle in. Fold your hand up front to give you a little extra boost of keeping your spine straight. That's the purpose of folding the hand in the front, making sure that your hand stays in that position so your spine is always straight. Now you're going to bend down and you're going to stop with your legs, upper legs muscles are parallel to the ground. So we're going to stop there, stay there in that position for about 2 seconds, and then press down on your heel and move up. And repeat this exercise for a total of, I will say, 4 sets. I will recommend, after you have learned to do it, 4 sets of at least 15 each. So that means about a total of 60 squats. But if I were you, and in beginning this process, I will just do 5 squats in first sitting and then every day add 1 more. So the next day will be 6, then 7 and so on until you reach 4 sets of 15 each. So when I talk about set, what I'm saying is when you do 1 set of 15, take a little break of 30 seconds, take a deep breathing exercise a little bit while you're standing there and then start the process all over again 15 more times. Alright. So this is what it is, and I hope you're watching what I am doing, and please start doing it. You will love it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.